Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So today I'm presenting a tool belt that's made for car detailers. So whether you're a professional, a weekend warrior, or an enthusiast, this is an amazing tool belt. It's called the Detailer's Helper. I'm going to show you everything you need to know about it. So all the features. This version here is the HD version. They also have a standard version. You're going to see both of them in action, of course, in this video. I'm going to show you all the neat storage tricks that you get on there and how you can customize them and configure them to increase, of course, your efficiency. If you're a professional, it's going to save you time, and of course, time means money. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'm presenting an awesome tool belt and it's called the Detailer's Helper. So let's have a closer look here at the logo. This company is based out of USA and the owner, Kevin Davis, is a professional detailer and has been detailing for many, many years. And he wanted to solve common issues that detailers or enthusiasts or weekend warriors have when they're detailing their cars. One of the main ones is speed and efficiency. So of course, keep in mind, when you're detailing a vehicle, you often go back and forth to either your detailing cart or your detailing table while you have your tools and your accessories to do your detailing work. And of course, all that back and forth motion while you're wasting time and you're decreasing your efficiency. So by having all your tools and accessories close to you and on you while you're detailing, while you're increasing that, of course, efficiency. And well, whoever says increasing speed, well, also means money for your professional detailers out there, because you can save at least 5 to 10 minutes per detail or more, depending, of course, on what type of vehicle or aircraft or boat or whatever you guys are detailing. So all that time saved is more money, and which means you can do a lot more customers or a lot more vehicles. This tool belt here, we're going to show, of course, all the cool features that are on there, but I want to remind you that if you stay tuned till the end, I have a special coupon code for my viewers, so stay tuned. And also, if you want to check this product out, I'll include the link in the description under the video for you guys to check it out. But essentially here, so we have the HD version. There's also the standard version that I'm going to present in a second. So this is made out of cotton, so it will not scratch or mar the paintwork if you accidentally hit it. This HD version comes with a tactical belt clip here. So easy on, easy off, very well made. It's a patented design, and it also comes with this slip-on cover over the clip there. So as you can see, again, this will not scratch or mar the paint if you accidentally hit it. So it was a lot of thought was put into creating this belt. And what's cool is that you can customize it with a bunch of accessories and pouches to fit whatever situation or whatever tools or accessories you guys need during your detailing sessions. Now, of course, my viewers know that I love ceramic coatings. So what I have done on mine is included a bunch of pouch for that. So this HD unit here comes with a standard tactical belt, as you can see here. So easy on, easy off with that clip. It has this clip protector. Then you have a pouch for your cell phones, your mobile devices, and it even can have some big cell phones like here. This is my iPhone XS Max. So this is the biggest one they have, and it fits just perfectly in that little pouch. Then you can have an optional pouch for your brushes or anything that you want to put in there. I also have my detailing light here, so I can inspect paint and stuff like that. Then you have a 16-ounce bottle container that comes standard, of course, with the HD belt. So you can put your 16-ounce bottles right in there. Very well made. You have a cord holder here for the back. So when you have your DA polisher or your rotary polisher, you can have the power cord up here in this loop. So the HD version also comes with this super long polisher bag, so you can fit your DA polisher in there. So it increases your safety when you're going up and down ladders. For example, you'll have your two hands, of course, to be able to go up those ladders. So that increases your safety because those polishers are, of course, very heavy to hold. You have this bigger pouch here, which I love to use for the towels, of course, to level off or buff off ceramic coatings. But these pouches can also hold your pads up to 6 inches in size, like this here. You can put that right into your pouch so you have your polishing pads with you at all times. And there's an optional awesome little holder here for your ceramic coating bottles. So of course you've all seen these. These are your ceramic coatings. And of course, I'm sure it has happened to a few of you out there, dropping your ceramic coating bottles on the floor when you're detailing. Imagine the cost of those, so it'll pay for itself. So you have your nifty optional ceramic coating bottle holder. I think it's a first in the industry. I haven't seen that on other tool belts. And of course, well, the quality of construction is second to none. So the HD version typically retails for roughly 80 bucks US, and the standard version for roughly $60 US. Again, check the most updated prices in the description under the video for the links. But yeah, so let's put it on and I'll show you what it looks like on me. All right, so as you can see, you have the belt protector here. So this nice covering with the logo on it. And it's a nice white belt. Now they make them up to 44 inches in size, but you can also have a custom order for over 60 inches if need be. So here on the side, we have the pouch for the ceramic coating. This is an optional pouch. Another pouch here. This is a pouch that I love to use for towels. And what's cool about this is that the way they did the stitching, there's a little lining in there that keeps the pouch open for easy access. So you can put your towels in there. Or again, if you have your polishing pads, when you're polishing, you can slip your pads in there up to 6 inches in size. So that's pretty awesome for that. Let me put the towel back in. So if we move further around, we have another pouch here on the side, this long one, that is for a DA polisher or a rotary polisher. Essentially, when you're going up and down ladders especially, this will increase your security as you can just temporarily put your polisher in there on yourself, and you have your free hands, of course, for safety to go up and down those ladders. You have the power cord holder here. This is a loop into which you thread your power cord, so that way it stays behind you and it stays in a fixed position, of course, again, for safety. We have here this bag here that contains 16-ounce bottles. So like this CarPro Reload when I'm applying ceramic coatings or spray detailers or whichever 16-ounce bottle that you guys want, they slip right in there. Then we move on to this optional pouch. That's the cool thing. There are many accessories that you can add to customize this belt to whatever suits your detailing needs. So here I have this super plush detailing little brush here. And of course, again, I have my inspection light, swirl finder light that I keep there to inspect my work as I'm going around the vehicle. And of course, super handy, this comes with the HD belt and the standard belt as well. So this is a cell phone holder. Again, it will hold very big mobile devices, no worries there. And of course, you can take your calls securely and have it on you at all times. So this is the HD version belt. You'll notice it's HD because the pouches have this red lining that differentiates it. And of course, the HD has this tactical style clip. So let me remove this cover here. So easy on, like this, easy off, easy on. You just clip it and that's it, you're good to go. So this is the main difference with the HD version. The HD version comes with 5 pouches. So you get the polisher bag. This is the big bag in the back. You get the 16-ounce bag. So for the 16-ounce bottle, that comes with it. You get a 32-ounce pouch, which I will show you right here. So this comes with it if you need it for the bigger bottles, like your compound bottles. Typically these Meguiar's 32-ounce bottles will fit right in there. So this comes standard with the HD. You get, of course, your phone pouch. So you get your pouch for your mobile device. And of course, you get the towel bag or the bag that you can use for your pads. So this comes with the HD tool belt. All right, so now let's have a look at the standard tool belt. So this is the less expensive model. So the standard tool belt, again, will come with 4 pouches this time, contrary to 5 pouches of the HD version. The only difference essentially is you're not getting the super long polisher bag. So every other bag that comes with the HD, you do get with the standard version. So you get 2 of these bigger pouches. So your 32-ounce bottle pouch and the pouch for the pads or for your microfiber towels or whatever use you want to have out of them. Of course, you get the belt. This one here doesn't have the tactical clip. So this one here is just Velcro. And then you get the 16-ounce bottle pouch like this here. And you get your, of course, cell phone or mobile device holder pouch. and you get the loop for the back for the power cord of your polisher. So that's what comes in the standard kit. Again, great value, great bang for buck. These, by the way, will pay for themselves over time. In the industry, we call it ROI, or return on investment, and it gives you it, my God, so much. So just think about a ceramic coating bottle. If you have that pouch on your belt, well, if you ever drop one, those can cost hundreds of dollars. Well, you pay your belt, of course, just with preventing one bottle from breaking. But of course, your efficiency when you're going around the vehicle, think about that. So you're doing a lot of movement, right? Back and forth, even if it's just a couple of seconds every time, from the car to the detailing cart, or from the car to your workbench, or wherever else in your studio or in your garage. All that time wasted is time you're not using actually detailing the car. So think of all those seconds that add up in a 5, 6, 10-hour detail job. We're talking about 5, 10 minutes at least, or maybe more in some cases. Of course, in some tests, others have seen like 20, 25 minutes, 30 minutes of savings in a 10, 12-hour job. Think of when you're working on an RV, a boat, an aircraft maybe, or those bigger SUVs. That adds up. So in the course of a year, if you're adding minutes every single time you're detailing a car, well, you're saving a lot of time. And of course, for the professionals out there, if you're saving time, that equals to money, because you'll be able to take on more jobs if need be, and or save some time for your family, of course, because the more efficient you are, the more time you have at the end of the day. So think about that. They also ship anywhere around the world, so that's another great thing, because my viewers are from all sorts of countries all over the globe on all the continents. I salute you guys, by the way. Thanks for watching Pan the Organizer's channel. They also have a bunch of cool options because, again, I can't stress enough, these are customizable. So I applied and used the bags as I deemed necessary for the styles of detailing that I do, but you can be an interior detailer, you can be an expert more on paint polishing. Regardless of what style you do, you can configure what bags you need, and they have a bunch of cool options. For example, one optional bag that they also have is this one here for the Rupes Nano Hybrid. So this is this small polisher that has the small head with 1-inch or 2-inch pads at the end. This is the long neck version, and whether you have the long neck or the short neck, they created this bag so you can have your Rupes Hybrid Nano right with you when you're detailing. So that's pretty cool. And also, for those of you out there who have the detailing bug, or of course the detailing passion like I do, have been detailing for over 21 years. Well, if you have kids and you want to share your craziness or passion, or start to get them implicated and involved in the detailing scene, they have this cool thing here. It's an add-on. Basically, it's the same thing, but for kids. So they call this the Detailer's Helper, Little Helper. So with that nice, cute little logo. So of course, you have your different pouches in there. Comes with the Velcro belt. You have your polisher cord holder in the back, and you also have these smaller pouches here that come in there. So I think that's pretty cool, because if you have your kid, well, why not get them involved with you? Go out there, go with mom or dad, polish the vehicle, have some fun times together. So that's pretty much it. Guys, again, I'll drop the link to the products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out and check the most up-to-date prices. Also, they ship anywhere around the world, so make sure you check that out. Regardless of any comments that you have on this, have you ever used a detailing tool belt? And also, if you've tried the Detailer's Helper, let me know in the comment section under the video, because I think it's pretty awesome. And now, well, for all my viewers, what we've done is we've organized in partnership with Detailer's Helper a coupon code for the Pan the Organizer viewers. So if you guys want a rebate on your purchase, make sure, again, you check all the details in the description under the video. I thought it's a pretty cool gesture from the Detailer's Helper, who also sponsored this video. So a big shout out to Kevin Davis and the Detailer's Helper. Thanks for sponsoring this video and of course making all of this possible. And thank you for offering that coupon code to my viewers. So guys, show them guys some love. Make sure, again, click that link in the description under the video, and yeah, check that tool belt out. Again, thanks for being there, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your presence and, of course, how faithful you guys are to the Pan the Organizer channel. Make sure you click the subscribe button that's found under this video if you want to continue to learn more about car detailing, so products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. If you liked the video, show me your support. Smash the thumbs up button. So, guys, in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.